Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook page profile link or Facebook URL. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. It is usually at the bottom right for iPhone users and the top right for Android users. Tap on the menu icon. On the menu page, find and select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Scroll down and look for the See More in Account Center option. Tap on it to proceed. In the Account Center, navigate to the Profiles section. Here, you will see a list of profiles linked to your account. Tap on the Facebook profile you want to update. Once you are in your profile settings, look for the option labeled Username. Tap on it to make changes to your Facebook profile link or URL. Now, you can edit your username to create a new custom URL. Your username will determine the link to your profile, so choose something unique and easy to remember. After you have entered your desired username, tap on Done to save the changes. Make sure to double-check your username before confirming, as Facebook may restrict frequent changes. Once the update is complete, you can return to your profile by tapping on the three dots located in the top right corner of your profile page. This will allow you to verify that your new profile link is active and correct. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Change Facebook Page Profile Link problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.